Hello everyone, Tanishk here. So today I'll show you how to maintain a table of figure in Thesis, in your dissertation or your project report. So this is my first page of my report, as you can consider it, and then we have some abstract, then we have introduction of our paper, and then we have some literature survey. So I'll be adding three different images in these three sections, and we know that we don't add images in the abstract section, but just to tell you guys how to do that, how to maintain the list of figures, I'm gonna add it. So we'll go somewhere here, we'll click on this insert tab, after which we'll go under this picture and select a picture from a file. Okay, so on my desktop I already have one folder and I'll select one image from there. Here it is. Okay, so I'll give it a border. Okay, then right click on this image, give it a name like insert caption. So as you can see, figure 1 appears over here, so I'll give it name my first figure. Okay, and center, and then we go to some other section like introduction. In introduction, again the same process, go to insert figure, and now I'll select this picture. Okay, it's very big, let it be. I'll select this image, right click on it, insert caption, figure 2, give it a name my second figure. That's it. We'll align it in the middle. Yeah, cool. Now we go down to our third section, add one more image quickly here. I guess this is the one. Yeah, so all these images are related to my project. Right click, insert caption, give it a name my third image. Okay, and we align it center. Yeah, so if you want to give a border to this image right now, because as you cannot see the border of this image, select that image, go to picture format and click picture border, and now you can see there is a border around the image. You can also select the different size. Now let's say 6, so it will be broader. Save that. So now we go to our first page. So this will be our like table of contents, and below that we have table of figures, anything like that. Let me arrange it. So what we have to do is that go here on the top of the page, go under reference section, click on insert table of figure. As you can see the option over here, we click it, and yeah, so now what we are doing is that we want to create a table of figures. So that's why we have selected a figure. If we wanted to create a table of tables, now we will see that also within a second. So at that time we will select this option, but right now what we are doing, we are creating a table of figures. So select figure, and in this way it will be displayed. So from here you can select the format. So right now it is from template. This is the format that is selected right now. If we select classic one, then you can see it will display like this. If you select distinctive, so it will select like this. Right now I'm selecting from template, and then I just click OK, and here it is. Here I get my table of figures. So what is the benefit of this is that when I click on my figure 1, it directly takes me to the figure 1. So whenever someone is reading your report, it will help him to directly jump onto the figure. So if I click on this now figure 3, I'll be taken directly to the figure 3. So now what I'll do is that I'll delete this figure 2. Okay, I've deleted this and save it, but still you can see figure 2 is shown here. So what we have to do, select all with Control A, right click, and what we have to click, update field. As you can see now, so figure 2 is deleted. But wait, what's happening? It is still showing figure 3. Yeah, and figure 3 is given name figure 2. So again we select, we right click, we click on update field, and now we click on update entire table, click OK, and when you scroll up you will see like figure 1 and figure 2, and along with that on which page they occur you can see it over here. So right now what we will do, again this is our table of figures. So now if you wanted to create a table of contents, so again what we will do, we'll go in the same section and we'll create a dummy table, insert table with 3 columns. Okay, so I just give it a name 1 2 3, sorry 3, and when we give a name to the table, select that table, right click, give it a name like insert caption. So now it is a table, so label should be like table. Okay, and give it a name like my first table, we click OK. Similarly we'll just, yeah, move it a little bit down. We'll go in some other section like an introduction section, we'll go, and here now we'll add one more table like this table with 3 by 5 column. Okay, and give it a name like, I just enter random numbers 1 2 3, whatever it is. Select that table, right click on that, insert caption, give it a name my second table. So right now it is table, so that's why I've selected it as table. If it is figure, we selected figure. If it is some kind of equation, we selected equation. Okay, so when we click on OK, it is given a name like table 2, my second table. We save that, we go in the very beginning of our report where we have table of contents, table of, so we have like table of tables, sorry, TABLES. Okay, so here again what we do, we go under reference section, we'll click on insert table of figures. Inside that, now this time we select it as a table, our format is from template, and we click OK. So here I can see my table 1 and the name of that table, my first table, table 2, the name of that table, and again, oh, I guess I have done a mistake over here. So what we will do is that we'll directly jump on this second table, click here, it will take us here, and TABLE, we save that, we go again up, and now we can see it is not updated. So what we do, we select all with Control A, and in Mac it is Command A, we right click, we click on update fields, again update entire table, because in this way you will update the contents of your table. Okay, second time the word is updating the table of figures and table of contents, again select update entire table, click on OK, and as you can see the name is changed. Save that, and in this way the reader will directly jump onto the images like this. Okay, and when you delete any of the image, it automatically gets updated in the table of content. Okay, so if you like this video, click on the like, subscribe, and I'll make sure that I'll put on some more videos which will help you to write your dissertation, thesis, project, any kind of reports. Thank you very much guys, see ya, bye bye.